Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are showing you how to solve this exponential equation, which we have 2 plus square root 3 all power 8 plus 2 minus square root 3 all power 8 equal 14. Okay, how to solve this? Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from begin to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, now we see this exponential equation which is different in basic. But you see here 2 plus square root 3 and here 2 minus square root 3. If we multiply it, we get here 2 plus square root 3 and times 2 minus square root 3 equal, here we use the formula a plus b times a minus b equal a squared minus b squared. So we get this 4 minus 3 equal 1. So now I take 2 plus square root 3 to the right hand side. We get 2 minus square root 3 equal 1 and divide 2 plus square root 3. And now I replace this by this. We get 2 plus square root 3 all power 8 and plus 1 and divide 2 plus square root 3 all power 8 equal 14. And here we use the formula if a divide b power n equal a power n divide b power n. And we get this 1 power h equal 1. And here 2 plus square root 3 all power 8. We get this 2 plus square root 3 all power 8 plus 1 divide 2 plus square root 3 all power 8 and equal 14. Look, here 2 plus square root 3 all power 8. And here 2 plus square root 3 all power 8. So we can let it by the new variable. Now I let t equal 2 plus square root 3 all power 8. It is an exponent, so it must be positive. And now we get this t plus 1 divide t equal 14. And then we multiply both sides of this equation with t. We get this t squared and plus 1 equal 14. And now we change 14t. And we change 14t from the right hand side to the left hand side. So we get it t squared minus 14t plus 1 equals 0. And now we use delta prime equal negative 14 divided 2, we get negative 7 all square minus equal a equal 1, we get 1 and times 1 and equal 49 and minus 1 equal 48. And we get the square root of delta prime equal square root of 48 and equal it's 16 times 3. And 16 equal 4 square. Square root 4 square times 3. And we get this equal 4 square root 3. And now we get the value of t equal here negative 7. We get negative and negative 7 and plus here 4 square root 3 and divide 1. And it's equal, here we get this 7 and plus 4 square root 3. Okay? And also here, t equal minus negative 7 and minus 4 square root 3 and divide 1 and equals 7 and minus 4 square root 3. Look, here is 4 times 1.4 or 1.7. So we get is smaller than 7. So it's positive, and here also positive. And it's equal here, equal, we can write it's 7 plus 4 square root 3. We also can be write is 4 plus 4 square root 3 and plus 3. And 4 plus 3 is equal 7. And we write it 4 equal 2 square. We get is 2 square plus 2 times 2 and times square root 3 and plus square root 3 square. And here we get is 2 and plus square root 3 all square. And so it equal 2 plus square root 3 all square. And here also we change it's plus 2 minus. So if we get this minus and here is minus. So it's equal to minus square root 3 all square. And now we see this, we let this t equal to plus square root 3 power 8. So we get this. So 2 plus square root 3 and power 8 equal, here is 2 and plus square root 3 all square. And we get this is equal 2. And here is 2 minus square root 3 and power 2. And we get this 2 and plus square root 3 all power 8 equal 2 minus square root 3 all, sorry, here power 8 and here's square. And here now we replace by 1 divided 2 plus square root 3. So we get this equal 1 divided 2 plus square root 3 all power 8. And we get this, power 2. And we get this 1 square equal 1. And here is equal 1 and divide 2 plus square root 3 all square. And we get this square root, 2 plus square root 3 all power 8 equal, here we get is 2 and plus square root 3 and power negative 2. And we get the value of h equal negative 2. So we get the value of h equal 2 or h equal negative 2 is our answer. Okay, that's h equal 2 and h equal negative 2 is our answer. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye. See you next video.